Hi, it's Rin from Sew in Love. I've got a blog series going at the moment on digital sewing patterns, and I wanted to create this video to really show you what happens when you purchase the digital sewing pattern, how to download it onto your computer, and what's actually included when you purchase a sewing pattern online. If you'd like to start at the very beginning of what PDF sewing patterns actually are, where to find free ones and purchased ones, there's a link to my blog post in the description box below. When you've made a purchase of a digital sewing pattern, you'll get an email to go and download it, as you can see from my example for Hannah Patterns. There's usually a link where you can click a button to download now. Once the download has finished, go to your downloads folder, and if you double click on it, then you can open the files. So take a look inside what you usually get in a Hannah Patterns purchase. There's an A0 size print shop pattern, more of which I'll explain in the blog post, which I'll link below. And let's open an example. Here's the size 20. And you can see the sewing pattern is placed over 3 pages, so A0 is a very large paper size. Okay, so let's go back to your downloads folder and go to a different paper size. This is an A4. So an A4 is a standard office paper size, and as you can see, you need to print out multiple pages and glue them together. And here's a fabric cutting diagram, so that shows you how the pattern pieces should be placed on a piece of fabric. And here are the individual files in an A4 paper size. So you need to print all of these out and then glue them together to create your sewing pattern. Let's go back to our downloads folder and take a look at US letter size. So if you're from North America and you've never heard of A4, then you'll know what US letter is. So that's a more of a standard document size in North America. And it works just the same as A4. You print out all the pieces and glue them together. With Hannah Patterns, each sewing pattern includes a little e-booklet which shows you the different sizes and the sizing chart. And there's also styling ideas on the ways you can wear your pattern. And then there's instructions. So there's step by step, and each step is photographed with white fabric and red threads. You can actually see what is happening. You can of course print out the e-booklet for easier reference. Now I'm going to go through how to print digital sewing patterns and different websites you can go and do that over on another video. So make sure you click through to that, or just go over to my blog post. The link is down below in the description box at my blog sewinlove.com.au.